Okay, so here we are in the Waterfront Tower of Harrah's Casino, Atlantic City, 20th floor. And this would be the Waterfront King Room, renovated, 500 square feet, I believe. So as you come in, let's go here to the right. You have your restroom. And it's a nice sized restroom. You have your shower with a seat, nice size shower. You have a full mirror. You have a full mirror, everything else you need. Hair dryer. Something else I like about this, you have a separate toilet here. You have a separate toilet with a door. Let's sit this in here. It's nice. Full mirror. And there are separate light switches for everything in here. Light switch for that. And you have a switch for the mirror, then you have one for the shower. Okay. And then you also have a full mirror here. If you have to get dressed, you want to check yourself out, make sure you're looking good. You got that. You come in. You have your closet. You have an ironing board, your cleaner bag, your luggage rack, luggage holder. You have that, and you have a light for that somewhere. I saw a light for that somewhere. Light switch. You come into the bedroom. You have coat hangers. You have your television, I believe it's 50 inches, I believe, 55. The snacks are mine, they don't come with the room. The water doesn't come with the room, that's mine. You do have your ice bucket here, 2 cups. Coffee is complimentary. Coffee maker. Here you have your safe. Here you have drawer space, a lot of that. Your television. Here you have lots of sockets here and plug-ins if you need plug your phones in and computers. Comes with the refrigerator. No mini bar here. This is all my stuff. This is mine, personal stuff. No mini bar. What's this? I don't know what this is. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. I guess these things you can connect to the television if you want, or yeah, see HDMI connector. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, have a little desk area in case you want to do in case you're working. You have 2 chairs. You have a king size bed. 2 lamps. Here at the air conditioner heater control. And what would this be? I never noticed this. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay. Oh, pretty cool. In case you want to get romantic. Let's see. Yeah, here. Oh yeah, in case you want to get a little romantic. That's nice. There should be one over here then, right? Where would it be? Oh, there it is. Oh, pretty cool. Okay. And show you the view. Nice view. I didn't request a high floor like I usually do, but they did hook me up. In the back there, Let me turn off the lights so you can see everything better without the reflections. Let's turn off the lights so you can see better. Let me turn off the lights. All right, so have Borgata Hotel and Casino. Have the boardwalk of Atlantic City in the background, and the other casinos. I see Caesars. Have the Bay Area over here. Just saw someone jet skiing a few minutes ago. The windmills. Yeah, just saw somebody jet skiing. They were zooming too over here a few minutes ago. I don't see them now. I do see a couple small boats out there. Here you have the pool, famous pool. A lot of famous DJs and people have parties here. Must be a party tonight. I see the pool's already closed, and it's $20 per room to use the pool, even as a guest, and $20 per person if you're not a guest. I'm not sure of the hours. You could look that up. But yeah, a lot of famous DJs and other people do have events at the pool here. That would be that right outside the window. So yeah, there you have it. It's a very nice room.